Oh, you're gonna lay down? Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sweetie.
Bye-bye. Oh, you're gonna lay? No, sit. Sit. Down. Down. Leave it. Leave it.
No way.
Leave it.
Jimmy wouldn't do that, I can tell you right now.
Oh, that's very hard for him. Okay. That's why I don't make him wait.
job.
Because pretty soon he'll be jumping up.
Good job.
He has to wait for his food when he eats. Just
Good boy.
okay, sit. Can you beg? No, that's not beg. That's beg. Yeah, that's beg.
You
Now it's
put
down
up your
dance.
arm, it was your fault.
I did. I did move my arm. Yeah. Hey, that's a little more. I know. I should take your leash off. All right. Okay.
There you go, dude.
Over here. Come. Come. Can you play some more? Come on. You've been kind of stubborn.
He's been playing a lot.
Yeah, I know. But first he.
Mozart the cowboy.
Yeah. No. Teddy. He's been off work for 2 weeks, so.
He's doing fabulous. Look at him. Oh my God. There he goes. There he goes.
Come on. Okay.
There he
Best
goes.
song ever.
Good boy. Good concert.
He played quite a